This 2022 East to West Alta 3150 kbh is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This used east to west is 37 feet 8 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 11, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, external shower, slideout, Colorado detector, smoke detector, awning, skylight, microwave, oven, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2022 East to West Alta 3150 kbh is 7,911 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.